This is C programming, lecture number 6, example number 4. This example talk about how to use switch statement. A company decides to increase its employees' salary based on their current salary range. If the range less than 5,000, it should be increased by 3%. Between 5,000 and less than 7,000, 2%, and so on. So we will ask user to enter the salary. So let me declare a float called salary. Then print a message for the user, please enter the salary. Then go to next line, outside semicolon. Now we have to scan the salary value as a float, so %f and save it in the salary. It's capital because the language is case sensitive. This is semicolon. Okay, we have the salary value. Now if you want to solve it using if statement, if you remember, we have to write if what? If the salary less than 5,000, what we'll do guys, we have to write the salary, the new salary, equal the old salary multiplied by 1.03. That's right, because we will increase it by 3%. And then print what? The new salary. Then we will print the new salary, print f the new salary, okay, equal to a value which is a %f. Then go to next line, outside comma, I will get the value from salary. This is how we can solve it using if statement, guys. That's right. Yes. Now this is an if statement, but we want to solve it using switch statement. Don't ask me why we have to use switch if we can use if. I'm just showing you alternatives and what could be the differences between if and switch statement. Now we will write here instead of if what? Switch. Okay? We want to switch on which value or which expression? On the salary. Okay? Now here inside the switch statement, this is the end of the switch. This is the start of the switch. Here we have to write case what? Case the salary value less than 5,000. That's right. This is how we will use it. Then if this is true, the salary value equal, and then print, and then what? Then what, guys? Break, because I don't want to go to next case if this is true. Guys, the problem here that we can't do this one. We can't write expression, logical expression here. It should be a value, integer value. You can use integers or characters. Why character I can use? Because the character will be converted to integer at the end. So here we should write 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, that's it. But this is a range, not a fixed value. How we can do it, guys? Unfortunately, guys, we can't use this one. So what I will do, I will try to fix it by using if. I will write if the salary range less than, if the salary value less than 5,000, let me say that we have a variable called range as example, range equal to 1. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay? If the salary value less than 5,000, range equal to 1, and we have to declare what? Integer range. Okay, guys, we can do it like this, like this, like this. Okay, but because we just simple code, we can do like this, guys. Okay, make it in one line, but don't forget the semicolon here between the braces. Okay, and we can copy this code else if the salary, now what, guys? Greater than 5,000 or equal 5,000. That's right. because if it's equal 5,000 or greater, at the same time less than 7,000 or equal. That's right. So and salary less than or equal to 7,000. If it is in this range, the range equal to what? Say 2. Okay? And copy. Else if salary now greater than 7,000, greater than not equal, so 7,000 excluded from here, greater than 7,000 and less than 10,000. Okay, the range equal to 3. This is the third range. And the last one, else, no need to write if, else what, guys? The range equal to 4. That's it. Then instead of switching on the salary, switching on what? On the range. Now we know the range value to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if the range value equal to 1, if the range value equal to 1, salary equals salary multiplied by 1.03, then print the salary. Then we can copy the case again, Control C, Control V, and case number 2, no, not case number 2, this is wrong. In case that the value of the range equal to 2, salary equals salary multiplied by 1.02, and then print the salary. And again, case equal, the range equal to 3, salary equal salary multiplied by 1.015, then print the salary. And the last case, guys, if it's not 1, not 2, not 3, it should be what? Default. Very good. Default case, double dot without condition. Okay, and we can print the same, Control C, Control V, like this. Okay, this is the start of the switch, this is the end of the switch, like this, guys. Run the program. As you see, what is the salary? Say that 7,500. 7,500, it's in the range number 3. The salary is, the new salary is 7,612.5. If you want to print it in one decimal place or remove decimal place, that's up to you. We can print here, say that dot 1 as example, dot 1, dot 1, dot 1. It will print the result using just one decimal place. Run the program again. This is 4,500. It is in the first range. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. We forgot to write the equation for the default. So say that here, Control V, salary equals salary multiplied by 1.01. We forgot that. And next step, guys, the program should run continuously. How we can make the program run continuously? We want to repeat all of these from here to here. So let me cut them and write infinite loop. How we can write infinite loop? Using while, and inside the while give me a condition always true as example. Say that 1, because 0 will be false. Okay, non-zero will be true. The start of the while loop, end of the while loop, and let me copy all of the code and just use tab to align them inside the while loop. So this is inside the switch, this is belong to switch, this is belong to while. Here we have just one space, remove it. Here we have one space, remove it. Better to make it like this. Okay, now this is infinite loop. See, run the program. This is 3, this is 8,000, this is so infinite loop. How we can stop the loop? The program, according to the example, the program should exit when user enter a negative salary. So how we can stop the program, guys? After scanning the salary value here, write what? Individual if what? If the salary less than 0 for negative, that's right, or 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay, that means what? This is the start of the if, this is the end of the if. We want to do what, guys? Break, semicolon. Okay, this statement individual not belong to this statement. That means after reading the salary value, check the salary value. If the salary value not 0, not negative, continue and do everything. If the salary value is 0 or negative, break. The break, it will break the flow. Remember that the break in the if and the if belongs to while. That means the break, it will break the while loop. The flow become from here directly to here, then continue print end, and then like this. So run the program again to show you. We have a mistake here. If salary less than or equal to 0, break. The salary itself is capital because language says case sensitive, so it's capital like in declaration here. Okay, run the program. Please enter salary. Say that the salary is 7,000. This is the range, and this is the new salary. This is. Now see, guys, -5. What will happen, guys? It will break the loop. The flow come to here, then it will print the end, then return 0. Okay? Thank you so much.